Okay, my friends, this holes, voids, holes, booger wells, holes. I think, well, that doesn't look good down in there either. Okay, I started to say I'm just going to grind this and repair it. Grind and weld. But after seeing that down in there, I don't know. I can't get to the back of that right now with the quarter panels removed, so I definitely need to do all this before I put the quarter panels on. But should I cut that out? Okay, sorry. 1, 2, 3 spot welds and see what lurks underneath there. There's overlap here on top, and then there's overlap coming back right in here. I don't know how much. So this is pretty rotten. I think I may be the one that booger welded all that 20, 30 years ago. So cut it along here, make a new piece. Replace all this too. So I finally got around to looking underneath this mess here. And that inner structure is rusted out. All this right here. It's got rust all the way through right there. And over here, I'd like to cut it right there. Oh boy, this is gonna test my lack of skills. Look at that shape. Well, at least I got it out of there, holding its shape for the most part. There's this. Let's see, there's this. And then there's this, which is this layer. And then there's this layer. So there's 3 layers right in there. Now that's going to work out. Another new toy. I have a TIG welder that is literally 10 times the size of this one. This one weighs 50 pounds. And the Lincoln Ideal Arc weighs 350 pounds. There's the foot pedal. Looks like if you want to run it off of 110, you use this adapter cord. I hope I don't have to do that. So I think you're limited to 150 amps with the 110. There's a stick welder stinger cable. That's the ground cable. Okay, what else do we got here? There's the stinger. It came with a flex head, but I think it's not a CK, but I think it's a good quality one. I guess we'll find out, or who knows? I may not be qualified to know the difference. There's some consumables. There's a couple of tungsten cups. Now, like this is already, it's a 50 amp plug, already ready to go. I like that. Okay, let's see if we can flip this puppy around. And there's the front. This one is analog, except for one small readout and a couple of buttons, but anyway, this is what it was. And it comes with a cover, which I'll probably use for a while, until the new wears off. I'll stop carrying it. On this bench, depending on how long my cables are, they'll reach over here. Have to be pretty long to reach all the way across the package tray there.